Good evening, everybody. Drake is here again, and I am reviewing the Fletcher Mini Blender, Mini Grinder. It grinds up your vegetables, and you can make smoothies, milkshakes, whatever you need to make this thing. But it is a nice little gadget to have. You know, if you're making a smoothie on the go, all you need is your fruit and your paste or whatever you use to make those things, and voila, you got them. And this is it right here. It comes with a charging cord right there. All the accessories you need. No batteries needed. Nothing but the charging cord. Just like a cell phone of the juice world. But, this is a nice little one right here. But I don't know if a lot of people want a bigger gallon thing to hold the liquids and fluids in when they actually grind it up. Because this one is kind of small. But other than that, it's a real nice one. Gave it to my mom for a gift. And thank you for watching.